Unlock your school success, let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, awesome! Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Listen, school, it's a whirlwind, right? Tests, projects, homework, trying to remember your locker combination? Well, today we're talking about how to not just survive, but totally crush it in school. We've got essential tips to help you unlock your full potential and set you on the path to success. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. All right, first things first, goals. We gotta have them. It's like trying to parallel park without knowing where the curb is. Disaster! Whether your goal is to ace that history test that's coming up, or finally figure out what the quadratic formula actually is, seriously, what is that thing? Having a clear vision will keep you motivated. And write those goals down, people. Don't just think them, ink them. Put them on a sticky note on your bathroom mirror, make it your phone background, tattoo it on your forehead. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the idea. Keep those goals visible. And hey, while you're at it, try using the SMART method. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's like a recipe for success, but instead of flour and sugar, it's ambition and determination. Now, let's talk study habits. Listen, we've all been there, right? Cramming the night before a test, fueled by coffee and panic. It's not pretty. But what if I told you there's a better way? It's all about quality over quantity, my friends. Imagine this, a world where studying doesn't feel like a chore, where you actually retain information. Mind-blowing, right? Well, it starts with establishing a routine. Find a quiet spot, silence your phone, unless you're watching this video, of course, and get to work. But hold on, don't forget to schedule in breaks. Our brains are like sponges. They can only absorb so much at once. That's where the Pomodoro Technique comes in. 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. It's like magic, but for productivity. And hey, don't be afraid to mix things up. Study in different locations, listen to instrumental music, try teaching the material to your dog, whatever works for you. Chapter 3. Challenges? Bring them on. Okay, let's be real, challenges are gonna pop up in school. It's like that one friend who always shows up unannounced. But here's the thing, challenges are not roadblocks, they're detours. They're opportunities to learn and grow. So, that subject that makes you want to run and hide? Embrace it. That project that seems impossible? Tackle it head on. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Teachers, classmates, tutors, even that friendly neighborhood librarian, they're all there to help you succeed. Don't be afraid to reach out. Think of it like this. Even superheroes need a sidekick sometimes. Chapter 4. School resources, your secret weapon. Speaking of resources, let's talk about all the amazing things your school has to offer. Libraries aren't just for dusty old books anymore, my friends. They're like treasure troves of information, with computers, study rooms, and helpful librarians who can point you in the right direction. And don't even get me started on study groups. Find a group of classmates who are just as passionate about learning as you are, or at least mildly interested, and watch the magic happen. It's like a brain trust, but instead of solving world problems, you're conquering calculus. And hey, don't forget about extracurricular activities. Join the debate team, try out for the school play, or start an underwater basket weaving club. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Health is wealth. Treat your body like a temple. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of taking care of yourselves. I'm talking about sleep, nutrition, and exercise. You can't run a car on an empty tank, and you can't expect your brain to function at its best if you're running on fumes. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, folks. I know, late-night study sessions and Netflix binges are tempting, but trust me, your brain will thank you in the morning. And speaking of fuel, what you put into your body matters. Ditch the sugary snacks and processed foods, and opt for brain-boosting foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. And hey, don't forget to move your body. Exercise isn't just about looking good in a swimsuit, although that's a bonus. It's about keeping your mind sharp and your body energized. Outrow go be great. Remember, thriving in school isn't just about acing every test, although that's definitely a plus. It's about becoming a well-rounded individual, discovering your passions, and making memories that will last a lifetime. With these tips, you're well on your way to unlocking your full potential and crushing it in school. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share it with your friends who might need a little extra boost. Let's create a community of thriving students, one video at a time. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and remember, you got this.